Hey everyone, so today we are going to discuss about syllabus of UPSC. Okay, so first of all we are going to discuss about the compulsory English syllabus. That is, compulsory English syllabus is like comprehension of given passage, then passive writing, then uses and vocabularies, then short essay. Okay, that will be the uh, topics, and then comprehension of given passage will be there, passive writing will be there, uses of vocabulary will be there, short essay and translation from English to Hindi. This will be the syllabus for English compulsory paper. Now Hindi compulsory paper, there will be two nibans in Hindi, then gadyansh will be there, reading comprehension will be there. Okay, the niban will be for 100 marks. There will be two. Gadyansh will be 60 marks, and some Shakespeare will be like Pressy writing will be there. That will be 60 marks. Then Anuvad, translation from English to Hindi will be there. That will be 20 marks, and 10 marker will be the Muhavre and Shuddhi, and Paryayavachi and Yugma. It will be totaling the 40 marks. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about prelim syllabus. Prelim syllabus, first of all, we are discussing about the CSET paper 2 syllabus. Paper 2 syllabus is the general studies 2, or CSET is qualifying in nature. Here you need to score 33% marks or 66 marks to qualify for this paper. Okay, so the UPSC prelim syllabus for the CSET paper is as mentioned below. First is comprehension, and there will be 40 comprehension, I think. International skills and including communication skills, then logical reasoning and analytical ability. The question will be, I think 30 question will be from out of there, not exactly 30, but yeah, 30 from comprehension, and 20 or 25 from logical reasoning. Then decision making and problem solving, and here also 20 question will be there with maths and general mental ability, that is included in logical reasoning. Now basic numeracy plus decision making and problem solving, that both will be 20 mark 25 marks, 20 to 25 marks.